Welcome to the Learning Farm at Sa'adatu Rimi University in Kano State, Nigeria. This interactive farm is part of the HortiNigeria project, funded by the Embassy of the Kingdom of the Netherlands and implemented through a consortium led by IFDC that includes East-West Seed Knowledge Transfer Foundation, Wageningen University Research, and Kit Royal Tropical Institute. The Learning Farm serves as a dynamic classroom, providing hands-on training across all aspects of vegetable production. From soil health to pest management to vegetable storage, we cover it all. Through interactive workshops and live demonstrations, farmers and students discover how to optimize yields and enhance crop quality. By bridging knowledge gaps and promoting sustainable practices, we empower farmers to cultivate superior vegetables and achieve greater profitability.